There's something irresistible about a crisp, vibrant chopped salad drizzled with a tangy, homemade Italian dressing. It's fresh, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion, whether as a light lunch, a side dish, or even the star of the meal. If you love bold flavors and crave a salad that's anything but boring, this chopped salad with Italian dressing is a must-try. A great chopped salad is all about the balance of textures and flavors. Crunchy vegetables, creamy cheese, savory meats, and zesty dressing come together in a perfect harmony that excites your taste buds. This salad is not only delicious but also incredibly easy to make. You don't need any fancy kitchen skills, just a good knife and a few fresh ingredients to create something truly spectacular. This recipe serves 4 people and is packed with fresh, wholesome ingredients. Here's what you'll need. For the salad: 2 cups romaine lettuce, chopped. 1 cup radicchio, chopped. 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved. Half cup red bell pepper, diced. Half cup cucumber, diced. 1/4 cup red onion, finely chopped. Half cup mozzarella pearls or diced fresh mozzarella. 1/4 cup black olives, sliced. Half cup garbanzo beans, drained and rinsed. 1/4 cup salami, diced, optional. 1/4 cup pepperoncini, sliced, for a little kick. For the Italian dressing: 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil. 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar. 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice. 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard. 1 teaspoon honey, optional for a slight sweetness. 1 garlic clove, minced. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. Half teaspoon dried basil. Salt and black pepper to taste. Start by preparing all your ingredients. Chop the romaine and radicchio into bite-sized pieces and place them in a large salad bowl. Add in the cherry tomatoes, bell pepper, cucumber, and red onion for a fresh, crunchy bite. Then, toss in the mozzarella pearls, black olives, garbanzo beans, diced salami, and pepperoncini for layers of bold and delicious flavor. To make the dressing, whisk together the olive oil, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, honey, garlic, oregano, and basil in a small bowl. Season with salt and black pepper to taste. For a more intense flavor, let the dressing sit for about 10 minutes before drizzling it over your salad. Once everything is ready, pour the Italian dressing over the chopped salad and toss gently to coat all the ingredients evenly. Serve immediately for the best texture and flavor. If you're looking for ways to make this salad even more exciting, consider adding grilled chicken or shrimp for extra protein. You can also swap out the mozzarella for feta cheese for a Mediterranean twist or add avocado for a creamy touch. The beauty of a chopped salad is its versatility. You can customize it to your liking and never get bored. This chopped salad with Italian dressing is the perfect blend of freshness, crunch, and bold flavors. It's nutritious, satisfying, and so easy to make. Whether you're preparing it for a casual lunch, a dinner side, or a potluck, it's guaranteed to be a hit. What ingredient would you add to make it even better?